Welcome! Today, I'll show you how to find your Facebook page's live videos history on your PC using the latest update. If you've recently gone live or want to revisit past broadcasts, these steps will help you quickly locate your live video archive. First, open Facebook in your browser and log into your account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll see all the pages you manage. Choose the page where you want to view your live video history by clicking on its profile photo. Now that you're on your Facebook page, it's time to access the settings. Click on the page's profile photo again, and a menu will appear. From here, select Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. This will take you to your page's main settings dashboard. On the left sidebar, find and click on Activity Log. This is where Facebook keeps a detailed record of everything that's happened on your page, including posts, comments, and, of course, live videos. Inside the activity log, look for the section labeled Your Live Videos. Click on it and you'll see a list of all your page's live broadcasts. Here, you can review, manage, or download your past live streams. Keep in mind, with Facebook's latest update, live videos are now only stored for 30 days before being permanently deleted, unless you download or archive them in time. So, if you want to save any of your live streams for future use, make sure to download them before they disappear. That's it. You've now learned how to access your Facebook page's live video history on your PC. Remember to check this section regularly and save any important videos before they're gone for good. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to stay up to date with Facebook's latest changes to keep your content safe.